They say beauty fades with time, but what if you could slow the clock naturally? Your skin is a reflection of what you feed your body. Wrinkles, dullness, and sagging aren't just signs of aging. They're often signals of nutritional neglect. The good news? Certain foods are packed with nutrients that can help protect, repair, and rejuvenate your skin from the inside out. Let's begin with one of nature's most powerful allies, avocados. Rich in healthy fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants, avocados nourish the skin, keeping it supple and hydrated. They also protect against oxidative damage that leads to aging. Next up, blueberries. These tiny berries are bursting with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. They help fight free radicals, boost collagen production, and improve skin elasticity. Fatty fish, like salmon and mackerel, are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats reduce inflammation, prevent dryness, and even help protect the skin against sun damage. Then there's sweet potatoes, a rich source of beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This vitamin helps restore skin cells, smooth fine lines, and add a healthy glow. Green tea is another secret weapon. It contains catechins, which improve skin hydration, elasticity, and density. A cup a day could mean fewer wrinkles tomorrow. Don't forget nuts and seeds, especially almonds and sunflower seeds. They're high in vitamin E and zinc, nutrients that promote skin repair and protect against premature aging. And of course, leafy greens like spinach and kale. They're full of vitamins A, C, and K, which help maintain a smooth, even complexion and support collagen formation. Lastly, stay hydrated. No matter what you eat, if your body lacks water, your skin will show it. Drink enough throughout the day to keep your skin plump and radiant. True skin care begins in the kitchen. Choose wisely, eat mindfully, and let your food be your fountain of youth. Because aging is inevitable, but looking your age, that's optional. If you find this content valuable, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more mind-expanding educational content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.